Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel Rosabella subscription. So as you know, if you purchase any supplement on Rosabella and when you can say like purchase any product on their official website, by mistake you will activate subscription. So how you can cancel? So basically cancellation is very easy. You can use two methods by which you can easily cancel your subscription. First of all, what you have to do, you need to visit on their official website. Like this is the official website, tryrosabella.com. And once you visit on the website tryrosabella.com, you will visit on their contact us page at very bottom, or you can choose manage subscription button. Okay, so when you select this option manage subscription button, it will redirect you on this new window. In this window you need to enter your email, okay, which is your register email. Once you enter your email, they will send you a subscription link, quick link. Okay, you can use the link and you can manage your subscription very easily. Or what you can do, you can also send an email. The email format you can see, this is the email format. You can compose an email, and once your email is done, in the end of the email you can ask a proof of cancellation, or you can take help from ChatGPT. And once your email is done, you need to send this email at this email address help@tryrosabella.com. help@rosabella.com, tryrosabella.com. You can also see this email is also available on their official website, tryrosabella.com contact us page. And once your email is done, you can send this email at this email address, and once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription. Or you can also paste, when your email is composed, when you can also paste this message in this comment box. In this contact us page, you can also select like your name, your email ID, your phone number. You can paste the same email in this box and you can send. Okay, once they receive your email, they will cancel your subscription. This is the only way by which you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon. And thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.